MLS stands for Multiple Listing Service. It is considered the real estate market because about 95% of all homes for sale are listed in the MLS. All realtors look in their local MLS database when they are helping a buyer find a home, and 99% of all buyers searching for homes on the internet are searching public websites that display MLS listings, such as Realtor.com. And that is why the MLS is essential if you want to sell a home in a reasonable time and for the best price. Only a licensed realtor can list your home in the MLS, and only MLS listings will be displayed on public MLS websites. The general public cannot simply buy an ad on Realtor.com. Most realtors will not list your home unless you agree to pay them a 6% commission. That's where we come in. We are licensed realtors, but we don't charge 6%. You receive the exact same MLS listing for our fee.